Sure.
Okay. The tram runs in London. The tram runs around through Wimbledon and South Croydon. It's a very successful system. Many people patronise the tram, and it has popularised the use of tramways back in London. In other places in England, trams have returned to Manchester, Sheffield, Edinburgh, Birmingham, and of course you have the old system there near Liverpool on the beach. Didi, balo ace. Ami namki Roberto D'Andrea. Ami belobasi tram. Ami belobasi Kolkata. Didi, think about returning the tram. While you're in London, go to the South Croydon tramways. Big tram system. You can visit Sheffield, Birmingham, Edinburgh, Manchester. They all have returned the tram. Tram krubalo, tram oktiriktubalo, tram. Tram reduces congestion, brings down traffic noise. Tram krubalo.